Today for your phonics word study practice, you are going to practice using homographs in sentences. You will read each sentence and highlight the word that is a homograph. Then you will create another sentence using that homograph by typing it in the space below. Then highlight your homograph in that sentence when complete. Let's practice. We were struck in a traffic jam. We need to think about what word in here also has a different meaning, but it sounds the same. The word jam in this sentence has an alternate meaning as well. So we are going to highlight it. You highlight the word, you click and drag, then you go up to this tool right here and you can highlight it. I'm going to choose yellow. And then you will go to this space. In this sentence, it means that there were a lot of cars all bunched up together. We also know that jam can mean something like jelly, which is what we would put on toast. So for my sentence, I could type, I like strawberry jam on toast. So my homograph in this sentence is jam, so I'm going to do the same thing. Click and drag the word, go to this highlight tool, and highlight that. You will do that for the rest of the sentences in the document. Submit on Schoology when finished.